Hi, Golden. Thank you for joining. Fine. And you? Hi. Thank you for the likes. Oh my god, what it means? Said. What it means? What do you mean? Hi, madam. Job, what you doing? I'm doing for accomplishment report for the month of November homework. Not homework. Yeah, homework. Mm. What you, yeah, too early. Because I sleep early. I wake up early. Is this team in there? No, no team no team no more. We're done because yes, this now is no more as in less less chance. So it's maybe it's good because we know each other. I'm sorry to hear that it's fine. Who know what will happen because he don't believe me. Um, so maybe it's good because maybe he deserves someone better than me. Yeah, I'm okay. I'm okay. I'm fine. Thank you, Golden. Thank you, the likes. Thanks so much. Be very quiet because people still sleeping here. People. Mm. Thank you for seven. Sir, hi sir. Thank you, Greg. Thank you, Golden. Jolly De Leon. Hi, Jolly. Hi guys, thank you guys. Hi. Hola, hola, ¿cómo están? Hi, delight sleeper. Sleep. Hi guys, good morning, Cheryl. I'm fine. How about you? Have a good day there in US, guys. Thank you for joining. Thanks so much. I'm fine. Thank you for asking. Thank you so much for joining here again. Thank you for the likes. Thank you for the likes. Thank you so much. Oh my god, I forgot to. I don't believe without you, baby. I don't believe without you. Not cold. Yeah, not cold. Thank you for the heart. What with the heart? Someone give the heart. Sending heart. I'm so hungry. What heart? Red heart. How do you live without you, baby? I don't see a red heart. You don't see. See bad card today. Hi, see bad card. Thank you for joining. Thank you for watching, 16 people. Thank you so much. Thank you for the likes. Thank you guys. Golden is on the right side of the skin. Thank you so much. Thank you so much, guys, for always joining me. 15 people. Thank you so much. I don't understand your language to say. Can you speak English? I do believe without you, baby. How do I live without you? You're welcome. How was your week? Good week. Nice week. Uh, poor week. I'm tired all day because I learned it's in your head. Yeah. Dun, dun, dun. Hi, thank you for even people here. Thank you so much. Very tired. Yeah, so tired. Tiring. When after work, I'm going to sleep early. Then wake up early. Thank you, Nathan people. Thank you so much for joining here. How do I live without you, baby? How do I live? Thank you for the heart. Oh my god, I see something you got. I don't know what time is work. Oh, yeah, maybe. Maybe I'm doing after work because after lunch that morning I'm going to work. It's working always, working all day. Time curry corazon. Jose Jose. How do I live? Work is very fun. Work a lot, but no money. Jumped shotgun saving. Hi. What it means? One Sarah. Oh, oh. No food. I want to eat but no food. Sibel, was Kira Music. Mommy is tied to Japan. What is that? Thank you, 25 people. Thank you so hard. Who's saying how are you? Okay, hi, I'm fine. Where you're talking about coffee. No coffee. Thank you for the likes. What? Oh. Thank you, 30 people here. Oh my god, thank you so much. See, Bellissima. Hi, grandchildren. Thank you for joining. See, triple Bellissima. What do you mean? Why you keep doing that? Keep doing that. What do you mean? Keep doing. You're making me do that. Stop that. I don't understand. Some Honori. Honori? Honori? Making me tired. Well, I'm sorry. Thank you for 35 million. Oh my god. Thank you, Colin. Thank you so much. How do we live without you, baby? How do we live without you? Cause with you never. Say hi. Hi, Jose. How do we live without you? Cause with you never. Thank you for 20 people. Thank you so much. Gusto mo kung sabihin, dito tayo sa Me gusta, te amo. Oh, what it means. Te amo. Thank you for the likes. Are you okay? Yeah, I'm okay. And you, are you okay? Dog. Charot. I have a book. Oh my god, I found this one. Oh my god. Jose, thank you, Jose. Thanks. Welcome. Come on, chat in that. Come on, chat. Hit the like. Thank you, Golden. Huh? We need 31 likes. Yeah. Thank you, 39 people here. Thank you so much. Magandang umaga po. Magandang umaga naman po, Sir Eric. Hello. Thank you for joining po. Thank you. Bicol po. Bicolana. Ingat po sa bahay. Salamat. Are you going to share? To share for what? Yeah. Sorry. I just wanna tulog pa po kayo. Masyado po makatulog. Thank you, Sir Eric. I just wanna see if you would share. Okay. Ew. See. There. Them. Hi, Ryan. Oh my God, you're so guapa. Huh? Huh? Ryan, thank you, Ryan. Rodan Bantay. What island you from in the Philippines? I'm from Bicol. Harry. Harry. Sorry. Not shave the hair, the armpit. Sorry. My God. I'm just playing with you. I know. I'm the prince of UAA. Oh my God. Shut up. I thank you, Dalton. The prince. You are funny. Oh my God. Thank you, Dalton. Thank you so much. Ciao, bellissima. Thank you. Sabenos Pianay. I'm from Bicol. Bicol, Philippines, Ryan. Bellissima Ochi. Mi piace. Miss gising na gising ka. Ah, madaling araw na dyan, di ba? Hey, German Moreno, walang tulugan. Walang tulugan. Mamonetize lang. Random like up chat. Thank you so much for 59 people here. Oh my God. Thank you so much. 59 people. What's your plan? I plan today. My plan, we're going to do dance workout. I do dance workout every morning. Every Sunday morning. Yeah, but I'm always dance. I like dance. Mimula. Huh? Thank you so likes. What's your favorite Filipino food? Bicol Express. Tamsa cause. Thank you, Teresita Johnson. Thank you so much. Saan ka sa Bicol, Manay? Bakit? Jansky Dalsky. Thank you for the likes. Unsa na oras the host? What time here now? 3:46 in the morning. What your favorite Philippine food? My favorite Filipino food is Bicol Express. Mm. Adobo. Aloha from Hawaii. Hi, Stephen. Vera from Aloha from Hawaii. Thank you for joining here. My favorite is laing, pinakbet, sinigang. Wow. I know that I heard other Filipinos say adobo. Adobo, not double. Adobo. Thank you for the heart. Thank you so much for the heart. Thank you. Oh my, 56 people. Oh, so many people here now. Sorry, can't say that. It's fine. That's adobo. That's my phone. Okay. Adobo. My phone really like. Thanks to your phone. Oh my god. Adobo, yes, adobo. Thank you for tonight, people. Thank you so much. Guys, so many people here. Thank you so much. A lot. Giving heart visit to you. Thank you so much. I said, you made shy now. Why? Now it's back in love. Oh my god. No, it's back in love with you. Ah. Hola todo bem. Hi, Aliton. Baby steps. Baby steps. I love you. You're gash sat. You just suck. Magandang umaga po, given the time for you. Because here in France, it's 8:49 p.m. But for you, it's 5:50. No, 3:50 in the morning here, not 5:50. Commands, command Samsung. Hi, thank you for joining from France. Oh my god. Golden, can you kick this Sivas? Can you please? Oh my god. Thank you, Golden. Oh my god, thank you so much. You're here. I'm French. Okay, nice to meet you. Command Samsung from France. Aqui no Brazil, eaten pra hmm? Politon. Tulugan for the vlog yan. Yes, walang tulugan for para sa mamonetize. Kay ko, oh my god. I already have, you already have four? You want queen card? Why? Why green card? What the green card means? It's money. Very respectful. Thank you. Are you well? Gift cake. Thank you, Golden. How do we live without you, baby? How do we live without you? He's saying, come to America. Oh, why? Why should I come to America? Oh my god. America, America, America. Because you think you want a green card. What a green card? The green card, why? Why the green card? Mabilis ba ma-monetize? Subscribe I need? I need a watch hours. Kailangan ko ma-reach yung watch hours. Subscribers already taken. I need watch hours. Little speak English and no Tagalog, only polite words and kind words. Also may speak Tagalog English. We don't say I love you, but mahal kita, mahal ko. Thank you, Kuman, ang Commandant Simpson. Commandant Simpson. It allowed you to come to America for having a green card, allowed to go into America. If I have work in America, I go there. But if not, what should I do there? The I'm cheating a little because my ex-girlfriend has a Filipino. That's Mario City, Cavite. Ah, okay. Huwag ka na punta dito sa US pag economy dito. Taas cost of living. Ako nga umuwi na dyan sa atin after 32 years dito. Iba pa rin ang Pinas. Ah, okay. So, America now is not a good now for the economic because of the cost of living expensive there in America. So maybe I need to stay here in the Philippines. So what should I do now here in the Philippines? Maybe in another country. Maybe it's possible to work money. Uh, what? But kept the most beautiful words. Thank you, Commandant Simpson. Thank you, Sir Alex Lex. Thanks. I don't live without you, baby. I don't know, maybe kailangan lang mag-save ng money to, ano, para makapag-invest ng business, makapagpatayo ng bahay, ng negosyo, makapili ng lupa. You're lucky. Me? I'm lucky. Kelly Romar, hi. Vitali. Vitali B. You lucky. Why I'm lucky? OFW. Oh, anywhere. Ipon and start business dyan sa Pinas is the best way to. Thank you for the top Sonic link. So, oh my god. I need to build a business here, so maybe I start small business. What business? A lot of my just because I need to be successful. Oh my god. Not successful, but I want to save more money. And I mean quality living, like I want the food, the things that I want, afford to live in, afford to healthy living, healthy lifestyle. Carlos Arturo, hello 64 people here. Thank you so much. Thank you for the likes. 12 likes. Thank you 64 million here na. I'm so happy. Oh my god. To live in the Philippines. Thank you, Robin. How are you? Dominic comments, I'm fine. If you haven't hit the like, please hit the like. This is free. Thank you. Then Suwazo. Lamia, oy, namuwa pa pa. What's the time there? Time here? Time check here? 3:50 in the morning. Here in France, I always surprise Filipinos who come to spend their holidays here because they're astonished to see a French man with them in Tagalog. Okay. Kumusta ka, pare? Okay naman, pare. Okay, pare. Ikaw, kumusta din? Dominic comments. Then Suwaso. Dennis Williams. Hi, Callie Wilmer. Hello. Malapit ka na sa Dragamis. Malayo. Malapit. Sorsogon kami. Sorry, next link. Sorsogon. How are you, love? I'm fine, Dennis William. Hi, Joy. My God. Kumusta ka? Mabuti po. Tanong mo, sagot mo eh. Good job, Commandant Simpson. Tanong mo, sagot mo. Jerry, how are you? What's up? Support by her by hitting them like chat. Thank you so much, Kelvin. Okay ka naman ba after ng recent na bagyo? Okay naman po. Duty ako noon, 24 hours sa evacuation. Duty. Kasi dito may lugar na binabaha yung mga bahay. So yung mga lugar na bahain yung bahay, in-evacuate. Tapos doon, nag-duty ako 24 hours, more than 2 days and 1 night at evacuation. So yun. Uh, volunteer. So, happy to serve. Susad sa mga politiko no na hindi nila nakikita yung sacrifice namin ng mga nasa laylayan. Sakis, hello Sakis. Please support her by hitting on the like chat. Thank you so much, Gavin. I love you, Dennis. Well, thank you so much, Dennis. Hey, beauty. Hi, pala niya. Ang dami. Thank you, Sakas. Hi. Wow, good heart. That's awesome. Thank you, Onyx Lang. You forgot turn off the Filipino alarm clock because every Filipino family has a roaster at home, even in the heart of Manila. We don't have a roaster, but in the neighbor having a roaster, so no need to alarm. Driving FR, hi. Samuel, unsay oras na diha di. 4 a.m. in the morning here, Samuel. Thank you so much for joining. Hola, mi amor. Mi nombre es Alfredo Tikiro Mochon. Tikiro Mochon. A lot of love today. Yes, thank you for the love. Thank you for the love, guys. Thank you for the give something the hearts. Thank you so much. As I recall, in every house there in a room painted green. Painted green. Subscribe, hit them like. Thank you so much. It is mine that will nothing. Thank you 30 people here. Thank you so much. Daming fans means miss. Dami mga padi may kasaya. Hindi ko alam. Siguro kasi sa camera maganda ako, pero sa personal hindi ako ganun kaganda. Peke yung beautiness. I love you, Muhammad Shakel. Thank you so much. Where from? Are you globe or smart? I'm not smart. My God. If you send the Gcash, that's see my bio. You will see my Gcash number. Oh my God. Asa dapit sa Pinasigaw? Bicol. She's smart. I'm not smart. I am my engine. Okay. Don't believe. Hello, James Vlog. Hi, James Vlog. Oh my God. Long time no hear. Hello. How are you, James? Hmm. Musta na? Matagal na panahon. Hello. Hi, James Vlog. Musta? Hello po. RV Cup. Hi, RV Cup. Aga nag... Yeah. Aga. Inagahan eh. Busy kasi. Daming gagawin. May singit lang. Morning! How to recognize Filipino? They speak English with a Spanish accent, and Indians speak like a machine gun. Oh my God. Bisaya pala dyan at halong waray. Opo, may ganun. Minsan may halo din Ilonggo. Halo-halo kami dito. Yung salita namin. Vacation con Dios. Huh? I wouldn't live without you, baby. Come on, chat. Hit the like for the pretty lady. Thank you, Golden. Pretty lady. Memorable memories like when my ex got angry with her sister. Okay. Why? Wow, you're really hot today. Why? I don't know why. I'm good. Hi, James Vlog. Thank you so much for joining here. Salamat sa pagbisita. It is because I haven't seen you for a minute. Huh? Haven't seen you for a minute. Visayas with my kababayan niya guy or else reporting here from Maryland. Gusto ko na makita siya. Eh. I am good. Oh. Here in Paris, the first snowflakes fell on Thursday as a cold free skies overturned. Okay. Biro lang. Alam kong biro lang yun. Somewhere. Oh my God. Do you need here? Hey, building. Division Gandhi. What means? Come on, guys. Come on, come on, come on. We need to dig trench around the house. Huh? Trench? Trenches? What it means? It is raining there right now. Raining, yes. It is raining here. Raining. To heavy rain. Oh. I'm sorry. I think that stop raining. Try to keep it clear. Oh my god. Sabino. Thank you. I have also traveled in March, so there has been very little rain. March is the summer here in the Philippines. 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 Lolo Alves. Hi. Oh my god. 42 people. Thank you so much for joining. 39. Gabi sleep already. Yeah. Three jolly eaches huh? Three jolly and three spell and what it means. Xavier Christopher. But I would need a good reason to come back. Good reason to come back. You need to come back. Cyan. Bakit Cyan? Muhammad. Bakit Cyan? Thank you for the likes. Thank you for those who give the likes. If you're willing, you should try and sleep. If you're willing to sing for me, why not? No, not in the mood. Ako, Sita Kama. What? She is wonderful reason. She's a wonderful reason. Thank you for the likes, guys. I feel sleepy now. Oh my god. I need to sleep now. Thank you so much for joining my live. Hope I see you again the live. See you next live. Thank you so much. Bye bye. See you next live. I knew it. Good night. Thank you. Hope see you guys again. I do live when I wake up. Yeah, thank you. Good night. Bye bye. Love you all.